Hey everybody, Johnny here. It is a beautiful Saturday in Laguna Beach and we finally have nice weather. We've had so much rain. Anyway, I wanted to jump on because next week we jump into the spring solstice and it's a perfect time for realigning with your goals and what matters most. And I have a 6-hour workshop called Spring Forward Strategic Planning, and it is taking place on March 21st and March 28th, 3 hours each of those nights. So who do you know that is ready to let go of some emotional baggage? And this could be related to their friendships, their relationships, their health, money, business, career, anything. We're going to purge all of this stuff during this class, and we're also going to be envisioning a new future, because whenever we release something, we have to replace it. So when we replace it, we want to replace it with what we want to have versus just allowing the same old crapola back in. So who do you know that wants to release emotional baggage? Who do you know that wants clarity? Clarity about their next steps, clarity about really aligning with their bigger vision. We're actually going to go through my corporate strategic planning workshop that I used to do for corporations to help you tie your goals into the action steps you need to take so that you get momentum, so that you reach your goals and you achieve everything that you want and create the big, bold, beautiful life that you deserve. So if you're interested in this, or if you know of anybody, then check it out at goddesspreneur.com/quarter. And we are going to be having some FUN in this workshop, and there'll be some major cleansing that's taking place from this, other lifetimes, and your ancestors' lifetimes. And we're going to reprogram your DNA with abundance, prosperity, all the resources and the relationships that fill you with joy and happiness. So share this with anyone that you think would benefit from this, because we want to see them there and make this huge shift happen in the beginning of the astrology year. Big love to you all. Mwah.